Let's be real. The CSEC English A summary is the final boss of paper 2. It's worth 30 marks, and most students lose points not because they can't write, but because they don't know the rules of the game. Today, the CSEC boss, I'm giving you the exact blueprint to move from a maybe to a grade 1. We're talking about word counts, main points, and the no-go zone. First, let's look at the requirements. CSEC usually asks for a summary of a passage in no more than 120 words. Here is the golden rule. 120 words means 120 words. If you write 121 words, the examiner literally stops reading. I would suggest you aim for about 110 words. It gives you a safety buffer and forces you to be economical with your language because every word must earn its place on the page. To get full marks for content, you usually need 5 to 7 main points. But the passage is full of noise. You need to separate the gold from the garbage. Now, what is the garbage? If the text says fruits like mangoes, guavas, and plums, you just write fruit. Statistics are also considered garbage. Throw out the 80% of people and just say the majority. Certain adjectives also don't need to be back in your summary. For example, the beautiful, the shimmering, blue ocean becomes the sea. Like, those words do not need to be repeated. Now, what is the gold? That can be classified as the topic sentences, the causes and the effects, the main arguments. Structure is simple. One paragraph. Do not use bullet points in your final answer. Use transitional words to glue your points together. Words like moreover, consequently, additionally, and in contrast. These words act like bridges, taking the examiner smoothly from one point to the next. It makes your writing look more sophisticated and professional. So, as long as you can remember these 4 steps when writing your summary: 1. Identify 5 to 7 points. 2. Use synonyms. 3. Stay under 120 words. And 4. Write a cohesive paragraph. You should probably clap yourself right now because you already have that grade 1 in the bag. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you liked the video. Ensure that you subscribe, like, and tell me what more content you would like to see.